In this video, I'm going to show you the AIS display as in use on the marine rescue vessel PJ31. When you first switch on the system, you'll come up with this screen, and you just need to accept the agreement and then move on. To accept, I just need to hit the accept, so I'm going to press the jog wheel button and then OK. And then I come up with the default list. On this screen, it's showing me the nearest vessel. So in this case, a vessel called Matilda, which has got a range of 0.1 nautical miles away from me, and it gives me a compass bearing of 108 degrees. Now that's a true compass bearing. So to go to that vessel, I would drive a compass bearing of 108 degrees, and they're 0.1 nautical miles away. The list ranges from the nearest vessel to the furthest away vessel, and I can even move down and find vessels even further away. From here, I'm going to show you how to change our status. So to change the status, I go to the icon that's got the little anchor on it and press. So in here, it currently says that I'm underway, but I can change our status to at anchor using the jog wheel, not under command, restricted ability to maneuver. I've got all these different options. So right now, if we were moored, I would press the jog wheel and it would hold that setting. And now we're telling other vessels that are within AIS range that we are a moored vessel. So I can go all the way across and I've got a second screen. So here I've got when we are towing astern or towing alongside. And once we have finished doing our tow, arrow back, and I'd go back to underway or moored as required. So next I'm going to show you how to change the display settings, and I want to switch to night mode and adjust the brightness down. To do this, I'm going to press and hold the button that has an illumination symbol, so it's the same symbol with the anchor, so press and hold. And then I can use the jog wheel to get to day night, press the middle of the jog wheel, and then I can adjust it to night. Once I get to the display slider, press, and you can see the display getting dimmer and dimmer and dimmer. And then once I'm finished with that, I can enter the same screen and go all the way up. Once I'm happy with any setting, I press the jog wheel to hold, and then I can go back to my normal operation screen. Once again, at the end of the night duty, I want to go back to day mode, so press and hold the illumination button. Go to day and night. I'm going to switch over to day, and then I'm going to increase brightness to full. And once I'm finished, anchor button gets me back to that main operation screen. So I'm just going to show you how I can bring up more information on the AIS screen about another vessel. So in this case, I'm going to select the vessel Queenscliff, which is one of the Manly ferries. And from there, I'm going to press the jog wheel. And up comes a whole lot of extra details about that vessel, everything from its current GPS coordinates, its full MMSI, what type of vessel it is, what its destination is, what its navigational status is, in this case at anchor. So I've got a whole lot of extra information that I can bring up on that screen. I can also select from the Queenscliff. If I press the button that's the hamburger menu, and it comes up with a couple of options, you can see one of them is to send a message directly to that vessel. So if I select the send message button and press the jog wheel, it gives me an option to be able to manually type a message and send it via AIS. This is quite a tedious process of entering in a message, but it is an option that is available on these systems.